Moreover, if they say that I don't have a mobile phone, and that's also another problem. To come, to see, and to transfer the knowledge about the election and infrastructure to the people. We make very small, so there's a budget that we can program it. We have the ability to program it. We make it very small. We made the election course. Actually, it was a program designed by district KPU, like us, and then because KPU saw it is very good and it works, then KPU adapt it to the program, make it national. But then the budget will be very high just to make sure that every KPU